How do I duplicate a campaign in DirectAds? It's very simple. Let's say you've uploaded this campaign here and you want to upload another one to a different account. And you've decided only after you've made sure everything's good that you want to duplicate it. You don't need to set everything up again. Just click on this little arrow here. I'll probably change this to copy and paste. So do you want to reuse the settings? Click here, reuse. Yes, reuse. It's already pulled all the campaign information. So if you want to go back here to the campaign and create a new account, like a new account here, it'll automatically come back here for review. You can navigate through here too, and all the settings will already be there as long as the settings for that account are available. So it's good to double check to see if sometimes I created an account here, just like I did now, that doesn't have the pixel, right? But generally, it will pull all the settings from that last campaign and you'll be able to do it. It publishes it perfectly, duplicating, and I'll put that in quotes, an existing campaign. So it will pull the same creative, the same audience, and everything else. Let's take this case here. I just changed the ad account. It was 14, 10 was 11, 5 went from 6 to 14, 10. That's how you use the system to duplicate, reuse, and duplicate a campaign in the ad account.